loving, caring. This is my family.
Welcome to Grandpa Kitchen.
Today we are preparing
American chop suey. Clean veggies. We have wide variety of colorful fresh vegetables. Now we will cut all the vegetables, and I want to know what are the vegetables available in your country in the comment section. So we come to know that based on the weather conditions, what kind of vegetables widely available in your country. And in my country, we have a neutral weather conditions. So almost many vegetables we can get here. We have a cooler places as well as hot places and the neutral places. So we can get all kind of vegetables in all over the places in our country. I just want to know, so what kind of vegetables mostly available in your country in the comment section, so that we come to know that what are the food habits you will mostly like based on your available vegetables. Please mention your available vegetables and price in the comment section, and also mention your country as well. Let's add water to boil Hakka noodles. Salt. Water is boiling. Now we will add Hakka noodles. Hakka noodles. So we need to cook 80%. Keep a cloth to drain the water from the Hakka noodles. To drain very fast. Spreading the Hakka noodles toward the table to drain very fast. And sprinkling oil on boiled Hakka noodles to prevent the sticking together. Keep aside for some time to cool down. Now we will add all-purpose flour. I am sprinkling on Hakka noodles. We need to mix very well. We need to mix very well to stick evenly to the Hakka noodles. Add this powder while mixing, so it will stick evenly to the Hakka noodles. Oil.
టైం పట్టిందా ఇంకా ఇంకోట్లేదు అది పట్టుకట్లేదు.
కలిపి పోయింది అదంతా.
ఈ గింట తిప్పేది పడుకుని తిప్పేది
అట్లే స్టిక్ అవుతుంది అన్నట్టు ఇదా షేపు. వెరీ గుడ్.
అంతే. అవునా సరే నాకు దాపొచ్చు.
Let's make sauce. Oil. Chopped garlic. Onion bulbs. Green chilies. Saute well. Chopped onions. Carrot. Cabbage. Capsicum. Bell peppers. We no need to overcook the vegetables, just we need to keep on a high flame for about 3 minutes. Salt, black pepper, tomato ketchup, Szechuan sauce, soya sauce, chili vinegar, when I added the sauce, I am getting a nice smell, nice aroma. Now I am adding water. Wow, everything is perfect. Now I am going to add cornstarch. Scallion greens. Finally, I am adding coriander leaves. Okay. Our tasty, yummy sauce ready. Let's taste it.
ఇంకా పోస్తారా?
I don't know how Americans eat this. I eat my way. Crispy. Wow. Crispy, saucy, the combination of all vegetables, awesome taste.
Nice.
This crispy aqua noodles added a much more taste.
నేను ఫస్ట్ తింటున్నారా? బాగుంది.
It's very difficult to eat these noodles, crispy noodles along with the sauce. I think we need to soak in this sauce. Maybe I don't know how to eat exactly. But the combination of this crispy and sauce is very nice. Comment your favorite recipe in the comment section. So, which recipe is famous in your country? Please mention in the comment. American chop suey, super!